Petro driving in his tuk-tuk, speeding down the boulevard, grinning like a possum in the bar, man. And you know he love that car with the Russian engine, hella loud. Petro going very far, from America back to Eastern Europe, shining like a star. It's an electric tuk-tuk, he be driving down the road. Took it from the West Coast back to Moldova, and this will show him. Now Petro riding fast, and he don't even need gas. Got his friends and his family and his engine really fast. Tuk-tuk, Moldova, tuk-tuk, Moldova, tuk-tuk, Moldova, tuk-tuk, Moldova. Yeah! Petro is the best in his hometown. Got a tuk-tuk with the best sound. A legend in his own right, with the only car around. Tuk-tuk, tuk-tuk. Petro is the best in his hometown. Got a tuk-tuk